Hello, and welcome to the Certified Ethical Hacker Study Guide. In this video, we will discuss Chapter 2, Point 6, Hexadecimal, and Base 64 numbering system. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Now let's paddle our way into the first topic. Reviewing the hexadecimal numbering system. A hexadecimal, or hex for short number, is written with two characters, each representing a nibble. Hexadecimal is a base 16 numbering system, so its valid numbers range from 0 to 15. Like base 2, or binary, hex uses exponents that begin with 0 and increase from right to left. 4096 or 16 to the third power or capital A, 256 or 16 squared or 0, 16 or 16 to the first power or capital C, 1 or 16 to the 0 power or 1. Fortunately, in hex, you have to memorize only the final two columns, 1 and 16. As you can see from the preceding example, the value contains alphabetic characters. Valid hex numbers range from 0 to 15, and hex solves the problem of expressing two-digit numbers in a single slot by using letters. For example, A represents the number 10, B stands for 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14, and F is 15. Hex numbers are sometimes expressed with 0x in front of them. For example, 0x10 equals decimal number 16. As with decimal and binary numbers, you multiply the value in each column by the value of the column to determine hex numbers. In the previous example, you simply multiply 1 by 16 to get 16. To convert a hex number to binary, you write each nibble from left to right. For example, 0x10 is 000100000 in binary, and 0x24 is 001000100. As a security professional, sometimes you need to review output from software that displays values in hexadecimal numbers. For example, the TTP-dump tool uses hexadecimal numbers in much of its output, especially if the systems being analyzed use IPv6. As explained, all IPv6 addresses are in hexadecimal notation. Now let's jump into the next topic. Reviewing the base 64 numbering system. Base 64 has a number of uses, both legitimate and illegitimate. A common use for base 64 is for the encoding and transportation of binary files sent through email. All you need to know right now is that attackers can use base 64 in many ways to obfuscate their actions. Uppercase capital A to capital Z is 0 to 25. Lowercase a to lowercase z is 26 to 51. Numeral 0 to 9 is 52 to 61. The plus and slash is 62 and 63. To represent 0 to 63 characters, you need only 6 bits, or 2 to the 6th. So the binary representation of the letter A is 000000, B is 000001, C is 000010, and so on. Z is represented as 011001. Just remember that the high order bit is the 32 column, not the 128 column, as with 8 bits. The lowest number you can represent with 6 bits is 000000, which is 0, and the highest number is 111111, which is 63. To convert a base 64 number to its decimal equivalent, simply break the sequence into groups of 4 characters and represent each character by using 6 bits. 24 bits equals 6 times 4. Now let's run into the next topic. As an example, here is how to convert the base 64 string SGFUCHKQMLDH into its decimal equivalent. In this example, the first 4 characters, S, G, F, and W, are written as 3 8-bit numbers. 24 bits =3x8. Convert the decimal value of each letter to binary. S = 18 decimal. Binary 010010G = 6 decimal. Binary 000110F = 5 decimal. Binary 000101W = 48 decimal. Binary 110000. Rewrite the 4 binary groups into 3 groups of 8 bits. For example, starting with the lower order bit of the binary equivalent of W. Writing from right to left produces 01110000. The bracketed binary numbers represent the first 2 lower order bits from the F binary equivalent, 1 and 0, 0100100001100001110000. Convert the binary into its decimal equivalent. 01001000 = 72. ASCII H01100001. =97 ACI a 01110000 112 ACI IP repeat steps 1, 2, and 3 for the next 4 base 64 numbers, see HKG, until each letter's base 64 number is converted. You use 1 or 2 equal signs when 3 bytes, 24 bits, aren't needed to represent the integer. What does the base 64 string convert to? Your answer should be happy birthday. Base 64 decoders are available for free online. As a security professional, you don't need to know how to convert base 64 code manually, but it's important to see how numbering systems are used in practical applications, not just academic exercises. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. To see more videos like this, please click in the rectangle in the middle of your screen. To see other videos from this channel, please click the circle on the bottom right. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.